Good day mga kabarangay. I am Al Sarmiento, a licensed customs broker and a real estate salesperson. So let's clear the air about Memorial Park or memorial property investments. So here are the top 3 common reasons or the top 3 misconceptions pagdating sa property investment. Number 1, memorial parks are for elderly only. So dito, sinasabi nila na para lamang daw sa matatanda ang memorial parks. And para lamang sa matatanda ang dapat mag-invest dito. But did you know na memorial parks welcome all ages para makapag-invest dito? It's better na makapag-plan ahead para po hindi tayo mahirapan pag dumating na yung crisis na merong namatay sa member ng ating family. It's just having a peace of mind. Hindi po sinasabi rito kung anong edad ka dapat mag-invest sa mga property na kagaya nito. Number 2, pre-need planning is too expensive. So, naniniwala ba kayo na talagang expensive ang pagkuha ng ganitong klase ng property? So, dito meron po tayong tinatawag na installment plan. So, there are memorial parks na pumapayag na magkaroon po ng installment plan para ma-lock in ninyo yung pinakamababang presyo during this day. So, that will save you to cost you from future hikes ng mga development pagdating sa mga memorial parks. Number 3, savings are better option than investing in memorial parks. Well, hindi naman kayo pinipilit na mag-invest, but the thing here is memorial parks is like traditional real estate. It appreciates every year. So, ibig sabihin, tumataas po yung value nito kada taon. Don't let your misconception hold you back to invest in the real property na maaaring mong makuha at makapag-less ng burden para sa iyo. So, dito, isinishare ko ngayon sa inyo yung 3 misconception na dapat maituwid natin so that you can invest properly pagdating sa mga properties na maaari naman talagang makatulong sa iyo in the end. And so with that, I'm Al Sarmiento. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel.